Hi, my name is John from Union Rim, and today I'm going to be talking to you about the top 5 reasons why you should powder coat your wheels. So number 1 would be durability. Now, a wheel is obviously low to the ground, so it's going to be seeing a lot of physical abuse, chemicals, stuff from the ground, in the winter, salt and all that stuff. A powder coated wheel is more chemically resistant, physically, and has usually a lot better than when it comes to painting a wheel, UV resistant as well. So anytime you have a powder coated wheel versus a painted wheel, in terms of all the tests that's done on it, a powder coated wheel will always come out on top. Number 2, the quality of the finish. Because powder is electrostatically charged when it comes out of the gun on a grounded object, the powder will adhere to all the little nooks and crannies in between the spokes, the lug holes, so you get a more uniform finish. As opposed to a painted wheel, it is much harder to get a uniform finish when you're trying to spray and you have with your spray gun and try to go in between the spokes, the barrel, the lug holes. So aesthetically speaking, it'll look a lot more uniform and just a nicer, smoother appearance. So number 3, cost. Coming from a background of painting, and which we still do here today at Union Rim, painting a wheel requires almost 4 coats sometimes of the primer and the primer surfacer, sometimes even a sealer, and then the paint coat, and then the clear top coat. Whereas powder, you just, typically speaking, you only need sometimes 1 coat, maybe 2, and then if it's an exotic finish, you need 3 coats. So in the long run, the material cost when it comes to painting is a lot more expensive compared to when applying powder coating. So for a consumer to come and paint his wheel or powder coat his wheel, obviously it'd be much cheaper to powder coat a wheel compared to painting a wheel because of the reasons that we just mentioned. Number 4 would be the spectrum of finishes you can apply with powder coat. You have almost unlimited options when it comes to whether it's wrinkles, veins, high gloss, low gloss, candy colors, chameleon colors, and the list goes on. You have tinted clears. It's almost unlimited when it comes to powder. You can mix and match. You can do fade jobs. You could probably do some of the stuff that you can do with powder in paint, but again, as an applicator, it is much harder and again, a lot more expensive to do when you do it all strictly with powder coating. Number 5, it is environmentally friendly. So compared to paint, which produces VOCs, for someone who is environmentally conscious, powder coating will produce not almost, 0 VOC compared to, again, painting. Now, obviously, technology in painting has advanced, but it will still produce VOCs. So for someone that is, again, environmentally conscious, this is the way to go. So those were the top 5 reasons why you should powder coat your wheels. Feel free to ask any questions down below in the comments. We're here in the GTA, Union Rim. Come visit us. We'll powder coat your wheels, make them look like new. And you guys are welcome anytime.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Those are the reasons why I personally powder coated my wheels. You guys know on the Audi R8, the Lexus, the finish is spectacular, it looks beautiful, and it's durable. That's especially important for the daily drivers that go through the harsh winters in Canada with all the salt and all this stuff, right? I want to get a good finish that looks great, but also is actually going to stay looking great. It's going to get chipped and nicked up. So I hope you guys thought this video was helpful. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment box down below. Me and John will be checking out. We'll answer any questions, but definitely, if you're looking to powder coat your wheels, check out Union Rim. They do a phenomenal job in the GTA, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.